Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. What on? Bless up on yourself first and foremost. Hold on there with the latest updates and mix up and mix downs at JA. So subscribe if I your first time over your son. And yeah, we are going to talk about what the description of the video say, viewers. So differently, Amari look like she make a love song for her lover.
Which one?
The one that you chose.
I got so many songs. That's so big.
You chose I played last night. Our biggest tune in our world right now.
He was playing the song like he barely wanted to play it. Yeah, why you turn it down? Why you turn it down? Lava, why you turn down my song when you playing it? You should have turned that shit up.
No, I mean, this song is bad. And it can't take the world, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, even though you have one heap of hater, but don't watch the hater, them, you know.
Okay, I hear you.
Some people don't like to see good, you know.
Yeah. You know what I mean.
See what I say? When them see you go to the sky, they might try to hold it down back, but don't watch them, you know.
For real. Only for a
Big up
time.
yourself, I know.
Big up.
Yeah, man.
Alright, big
See what
up.
I say?
Alright, big up. Yeah, it's good when a man gives you strength. Hello? Yeah, you want to see Lava play me song last night, like when you touch boom boom, when you teeth it. You know, like a girl asleep and she allow you to sleep in the bed and you just make she touch. And you try touch it for test her to see if she will give you a piece. I saw Lava move last night. Too many calls. I saw Lava move last night. Lava move away, yo. And you know, you'll realize that I'm truthful. Because guess what? Battery soon done. Cause guess what? Let me turn it down. You'll realize that I'm truthful. Cause you notice I always say that Lava allow people to diss me and does nothing about it. Right after he played the song, this bulldog, you understand, cutthroat bulldog, came on and said, like, was he really gonna manage that? That referred to me as that. And that motherfucker sat right there and laughed. You understand? That's why I have this love-hate relationship for that drunk crow. You understand? How you gonna allow somebody to call me that? You get me? And I don't want Lava to think that he gonna make my song a hit. What I want to do is get this major hit to show him fuck off. That's what I want to show him. Yeah, because you can't say you love someone and allow people to constantly rub them out. And I can understand if quality people rub me out, but not dog shit. And a pure dog shit Lava mixed with pure flea. You understand? Him come like them man where grew up in a certain, neighborhood and then go mix with shit. That's where you come like. You can't tell say you're not no standard. None whatsoever. Cause you notice the people them on Lava show, them ugly in a bomber cloth. They're not pretty. They make your camera screen look bad. And him claim to say him a bust them. We have to make sure God's people burst out on the internet and don't allow these ugly motherfuckers to take over the internet. They don't have no looks and they don't have no class, and him take time to turn the show in a old show. Everybody come on and I show them takes from Amari started, but I'm Marilyn Monroe. You can't fucking be me. It's a difference between when Amari show her body more than when somebody else does it. It's just something about Amari. I got the fucking magic touch. You understand? And then I'll see he bring on this little slay duck. I don't know what other word to call this. Trying to be Amari. Tattoo where she draw upon her and put towel around. You can't be Amari, bitch. You cannot. There's only one Amari. You understand? I didn't just come about like this. I was trained. Why you will never catch up on Amari? I've been in the radio industry for over 20 odd years. I'm a singer, songwriter, radio broadcaster, journalist, study law. How the fuck you gonna catch me up? How? Unlike Spice, who put out a song this morning. Bitch, you ain't got no sense. You put out a song this morning, you supposed to become good. To prove to the world that your other man didn't take you to the top. You come with some garbage. First of all, you gotta focus on the beat. The beat is off. The beat gotta be able to touch the heart. You all singing for yourself. You're not singing for the people. Because if you were singing for the people, you would sing in regards to what they're going through. Like, dirty life, girl, tabagia white, bitch, you and I love you. My SOB, my son of a bitch, I love you. Me not care what them say. That's like a workless girl, this you know. But your mother tell you, say left the dirty boy alone. And but that's how we really are. Me workless November thoughts. I love you. Me not care what them say. Me not go nowhere. You are pricky. Me not care. You are pricky. Me not left him. You get me? And even him not a job you talk about when COVID done, you're gonna make a lump sum and buy him a car. That's real. That's real music. But you gone on the internet with your fucker, man. Come better than that. Let me tell you, the only thing I think I'm gonna regret in dancehall is this. I'm gonna bust too fast and I'm not gonna be happy about it. Because they say I'm a bust, but that was just the icing on the cake. I don't wanna bust this year. I don't wanna bust. I'm like September next year, barely crawling out. I give myself 3 years. Basically, I know why. And I'll sum it up for you. One of the main reasons, people have always used my kids against me. And like whenever I'm reaching for the top, they call the government, lie on me. Every time I go to Jamaica, they call the government and tell the government that I have left the kids alone. So I'm praying to God for all my kids to reach 18, which they will in 2 years. Then me I go say, who the bomber clot you go call and tell say, Amari they are Jamaica or Amari they are Africa and not take care of pitney them. Although the system is so fucked up. Because you all should know that when you get 200, 300 call on one individual, that something is definitely wrong. But I know God will still bring me through. But that's the main reason I beg you, don't let me bust this year. Make me go on top, man. Let me get to know you. You understand? Don't let me bust next year. Going towards the other year, that's fine with me. I don't think I'm gonna like purposely hold myself back, although I did after Nico, and I'm barely coming out. Oh my God. And I'm barely coming out. I turn on the phone. Oh, turn off the ring, Amari. Dumb. Yeah. And so if that should happen, I'm gonna go into depression because I'm not ready. Like I say, I want the kids to finish growing. Okay, so we got 2 years. I don't think I need tummy tuck and all that, but I need time. I'm gonna throw away this phone. I can understand if it's local numbers. Did I end up with foreign fans? I don't know. These numbers are so long. Yeah, and the people don't look like me. They look different. Wonder if I end up with some foreign fans. Must be. That's strange. Yeah. So that's what's up. So studio. Okay, let me see what they say now. Cause honestly, I don't think I can angle it. But if I don't go, it's gonna Thursday 4 p.m. confirm the address. Oh God. What time is it? 12:30. So studio at 4. Phone off a charge up. Everything off a charge up. Where we gonna do this studio session? One me I go sing. Too many songs. You gonna help me? I need your help. This phone never gonna stop. It's the same person called before. Yeah.
You hear me? Want me to do a song together? I tell you that from the other day.
I would love that, but I just turned down a big offer last night. My team don't want me to collaborate right now because I'm about to drop my album.
Money right now.
Yeah, but money isn't all, baby. It's not all about money. And
big up yourself.
bigger.
Listen to you.
Yeah, bigger. Yeah, I'll tell you what, my team, that's like me, myself, and I. Yeah, but I'll tell you why my team turning down collaborations. I worked so hard to build my platform, and now people want to collaborate with me to benefit from all that work, to benefit from my fans. You know, like, yeah. Strangest thing happened last night. I got, it was about 1 o'clock when I got a contract, you know, wanting this artist who's supposed to collaborate with me. You know, they want the artist on my show, and they telling me that I'm supposed to interview the artist, what I'm supposed to say within the first 10 minutes, and then I should bring on the artist for another 50 minutes on my show for $200. Kiss my ass. How the fuck you gonna send me a letter at 1 o'clock telling me how the fuck to run my show? What the fuck? I thought when I got the offer, I thought the person wanted to interview me.